Alright traders, good day. So today is 13th of April 2000 13th of April 2020. We are now live the trading WTI Crude Oil Market, May contract 2020. So CLK 20. So at this moment we have one buy call signal to go for a long position. So based from my live Telegram channel, we are going to go buy at 23.11. By stop limit order and targeted TP, which is at 23.27, which is around 16 ticks or 160 US dollar for futures contract, one futures contract. So let's wait. I think we have to go back to the platform later on because the order already filled. Okay, the order already filled. So let's we are in the position. So at this moment minus 2 ticks. You can see minus 20 US dollar. So now moving up to minus 1 tick. So let's wait and see. So here the TP targeted area just a bit above the VWAP price level. So the price high now is around, let's take a look, the highest is 0.5, so sorry 13, 2 ticks higher than our entry. So any moment the price might go burst further up and we might see the good epic trade for today. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will do fine for us, and you may take profit earlier just right at this VWAP line, but from my calculation it will go towards this yellow line. This is my targeted TP area, which is at 23.27. I think good enough at this moment. So now we are plus 0.0. So let's wait and see. I think could be a slippage. No, there's no slippage for today. So we did enter exactly at 23.11. So okay, still waiting. Now we can see a bit red in the candle, but yeah, let's wait. Still waiting. Still minus at this moment, minus 5 ticks. So I will pause this video for a while. Once it's back up to the level, oh, that's not good, which is minus 8 ticks. So we have to be more cautious at this moment. Hopefully the price will not remain on the lower side. It could be there is a pullback, but we must not expect too much pullback until the hit the TP area. But at this moment we are bullish on the market and expected for the price to move on the higher side. So 23.27, which is a quite reasonable price TP area. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I mean let's pause for a while and we'll resume later on. Okay, looks good. Now back to the almost the break even, and we'll resume later once the price move to the positive area. Oh shit, suddenly suddenly the price spike. I didn't manage to capture it live, so it hit the TP area. It was a quick one. So we have a total profit of 16 ticks, 100 US dollar, 160 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look how long this order taking place. So we did enter at 9:12, so this is a 4-minute trade. So 160 US dollar, it was a good one with 4 minutes. So the price did spike, so you can see just now the price move on the negative side. So now the price spike and was a good one. It was a lucky trade, not always. This is an epic trade. It's like that, and we only trade one trade per day during the US session, especially at the beginning of this 30 minutes. So by the way, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. There is a link below in the description to get my live signal. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.